Working hard all morning long, and so has our crew out and about in the elements.
Well, you know what is interesting in the last 10 minutes or so, we've had the changing of the guard, so to speak, right? We had Michaela McDonald in New Bedford for us all morning long for about 8 to 10 hours now. Caroline Goggins taking over the reins along the waterfront in New Bedford. Yeah, looking bad out there right now.
Yeah, Danielle and Patrick, the wind is really the story here in New Bedford. We just checked. There's about 7 inches of snow on the ground here, but this wind is absolutely brutal. You can feel it now. I mean, you can hear it. It's terrible. Another problem that we're experiencing right now, if you look at this tree, you can see that this heavy snow is falling on these branches. That's a big concern for crews in New Bedford today. I talked to the New Bedford Fire Department last night. They said heavy snow on tree branches like this could cause power outages with downed trees and down power lines throughout the day. They are really urging everyone to stay inside, stay safe, stay warm during this storm. Now, if my photographer Tim and I were going to pan down, this snow is that heavy snow that will pack down to the ground. I mean, this has been plowed at least 2 or 3 times this morning per what my colleague Michaela McDonald said, and we can't really even see the ground at this point. We've seen people coming through this area slipping and sliding. Somehow cars have managed to come through. I really don't understand how they're able to do that out on the roads right now, but we got some guys over here. Hey guys, stay safe. And I just talked to a fisherman, guys. We were standing out in the street talking to some people as they were walking by. A fisherman told me, I got to get out here today. I don't care what the conditions are like. I have to get to my boat. So some people are out here braving it, but the moral of the story, if you can today, stay inside, stay safe during the storm. These winds and the snow just make for brutal conditions. Back to you guys.